Today we are talking about Writecream and the lifetime deal on AppSumo, which help you to generate human-like emails, blogs and scripts in a very fast and simple way. If you struggle with writing or you want to speed up your content creation, then Writecream can help you to save a lot of time. It is designed for the creators, marketers, freelancers, and the business owners who need regular content but don't want the process to feel difficult or slow. So, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find the best deals and the discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the description for the discounted offer link. You don't need to use any code or something like that because discount will be applied automatically when you use the link from our description. Now let's talk more about what makes the Writecream special. One of the best thing about this tool is how natural the writing feels. Many AI tools create content that sounds robotic or too formal, but Writecream focuses on generating text that feels like a real person wrote it. This is helpful when you are writing emails to your clients or creating YouTube script or posting on social media where a friendly tone is very important. Writecream has many tools inside, but everything is easy to understand. You can create blog post, introduction, you can create the cold emails, you can create ad copy, video ideas, and even full scripts. All you need to do is type a short description for a topic and the AI expand it into a clear and natural content. This is great when you don't have time to think of ideas or when you feel stuck at the start. If you make videos, the script generator is very helpful. You just write what your video is about and Writecream will create a full script that you can read naturally. This saves a lot of time during planning and helps you to stay consistent with your uploads. For bloggers, the long form editor allows you to grow your ideas into complete articles without writing everything from scratch. You can improve your paragraph, expand your sections, or rewrite sentences to make them better. Another strong feature is the email writer. If you run a business or handle clients, you know how important a good email is. Writecream can generate friendly and professional emails quickly. This is useful when you need to send outreach messages, follow-ups, or responses that sound natural and personal. Writecream also includes voiceover and podcast tools. So you can turn your written content into audio with a human-like voice. This helps you to create content in different formats or repurpose your written work. Now, what makes the lifetime deal especially attractive is that you get all these features without paying every month. Normally, AI writing tools have recurring fees that become expensive over the time. But with this deal, you pay once and you can keep using the tool whenever you need it. So even if you create a lot of content, your cost stays the same. This is a huge advantage for a creator or a freelancer or for a small business who is trying to keep expense low. So if you want a simple and fast way to write blogs, emails, ads and scripts that sounds natural, then Writecream is a very strong option. It helps you to save time, stay consistent, and produce human-like content with a very little effort. If you want to grab the lifetime deal, check the link from the description. When you use the link from the description, the discount is applied automatically. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the link from the description. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.